Hey there, tech fans. Today I have the Orei SplitXtend SX-2C4K USB to HDMI adapter. This product makes it really easy for you to connect two ultra high definition monitors to any computer, and once those two monitors are connected, you can easily extend or mirror your desktop across both external displays, greatly increasing your screen real estate. The product fully supports 4K ultra high definition media content, and it's plug and play compatible with both Windows and Mac OS. Now, as part of this overview, I'd like to start with a quick unboxing just to show you everything that's included with the kit. And then I'll take a closer look at the unit and I'll explain the connections and indicators so you understand how to use it. I'll do a quick demonstration to show you just how simple this product will be to use with your own computer, and then I'll come back and point out a few things that I really like about this particular product that you can use to compare it to other products you may be considering. So let's get started with the unboxing. When you first pop open the box, there's not a lot inside because it's a really simple product to use. You'll find the SX-2C4K. It's got a flexible USB cable on it and a set of connectors, and I'll take a closer look at that in a minute. You'll also find a full instruction manual included that explains everything you need to know about this product, including connection diagrams, specifications, and a lot of other really good information. Now, if you stay tuned next, I'll take a closer look at the module, I'll do the demonstration, and then I'll come back and point out a few things again that make this solution pretty special because it allows you to easily expand the displays connected to your computer through a single USB port. The unit features a high-impact plastic case which makes it lightweight and really durable. It's also really small. It's easy to slip this into a backpack or your computer bag and take it with you. On either side of the case, you'll find these ventilation slots that are designed to let any heat that develops internally escape and keep the electronics inside at a very comfortable temperature. You'll also find feet on the bottom. There are 4 rubber feet, and those are designed to protect the surface you set this down on and keep it from sliding around when you're using it. On the one end is a flexible heavy-duty cable that ends in a native USB-A connection right there, and you can plug this into any open USB-A port on your computer to activate the device. If you have a newer computer that uses a USB-C connection, you can simply pop the adapter on top and it converts it to a USB-C connection. And the nice thing is this single connection not only provides the video to the output monitors, but it also provides power for the unit. And then on the one end, you'll find 2 full-sized HDMI ports. Both of these are 4K at 60 frames per second. You can connect these to 2 ultra-high definition monitors and use those as your displays. And once this is connected to your computer, you have the choice from your desktop to either mirror that or extend it across those external monitors, again, greatly increasing your screen real estate. Now I'll show you just how easy it'll be to use the Orei SplitXtend SX-2C4K with your own computer. And for this demonstration, over here I've set up my laptop, and here I have 2 displays I'd like to use as my external monitors, again to expand my screen real estate. Now the nice thing is you can set these monitors up in any configuration you like. You can have them on either side of your computer with your laptop in the center, or you can have them on top of each other like this if you want, on a mount on your desk. For this demonstration, I've set them up like this. Now, I've already connected high-speed HDMI cables up to the monitors, so I'll connect those directly into the unit, into both of the HDMI output ports, and then all I have to do is plug this into my computer. Now, I have an open USB-A port right there, and that's what I'll use, but if I wanted to use a USB-C port, I can pop the adapter on and plug it into a USB-C. But let me plug this in, and the minute I do, you hear the computer recognize the fact that I've plugged in an external device and it's configuring it, and there you go. Now what you're viewing there is my desktop being extended across these 2 external monitors. And you could set it up to mirror your desktop or extend it. It's up to you. And again, you can change the configuration of how these monitors are aligned. But I've made the mouse really gigantic here, so you can see it on my main desktop. And then I'll slide it over to the right, and it's on the top monitor. Slide it down to the bottom monitor, and then I'll slide it back over to my desktop. Now, what this does for you, it should be obvious, you've expanded your desktop across these external monitors, which means I can open more programs at the same time. I can open some of those programs in full screen mode on one of the monitors, especially if I'm doing something like editing where I need a couple of monitors open at the same time. It just gives you a lot more flexibility when you're using your laptop, and all you need to operate this is a single USB port, either USB-A or USB-C, connected to the device. And that supplies the power for the unit and the video that's going to be extended to those external monitors. And it really is just that easy to get it working. I hope that closer look and demonstration were helpful. Now here are a few really important things to keep in mind when you're comparing the Orei SplitXtend SX-2C4K with other products you may be considering. The first thing has to do with resolution. This product provides two output ports that both support 4K ultra high definition media content at up to 60 frames per second. And the reason that's important is because a lot of other USB to HDMI adapters on the market may only support a lower resolution like 1080p or 720p, or if they support 4K at all, it may only be on one of those output ports. So knowing you can handle the higher resolution at the higher frame rate on both of the output ports at the same time means you're going to have a crystal clear image on your output monitors. Another big difference is the fact that this unit is plug and play compatible with both Windows and Mac OS, which means it's compatible with USB 3.1 ports and Thunderbolt ports, so you can use it on a Mac computer or a Windows computer. Another big difference is the inclusion of the adapter. It has a USB-A connection on it natively and a USB-A to USB-C adapter, which gives you a lot more versatility to plug it into different ports on your computer. The nice thing about it, though, is because it's a plug and play adapter, you'll make one connection to your computer which supplies not only the video but the power for the unit. You'll plug two monitors in, and then again you can expand your desktop by either extending it or mirroring it across both of those external monitors. It's small enough to take with you pretty much anywhere. You can slide it in your backpack or your computer bag, and that way when you're on the road and you're working with your laptop, you'll have plenty of screen real estate. Everything you need to get started is included, and with a simple connection to your computer, you can be up and running. So hopefully you found this review helpful. Thanks a lot for watching, and until next time, as always, stay nerdy